Hey guys, welcome back to OUR Toys.
Today we're going to play with our Black & Decker toy set. We got Marquise. Say hi, Marquise.
Hi.
Okay. Marquise is here.
Jackhammer.
Each piece. What do we have here? We have the drill.
No.
We have the drill. Show them how that works. Yep. Press it. Let's see how it works. Cool. Hold it sideways so everybody can see it. Yeah, that's cool. That's actually a drill. This thing will drill. Hold it this way. Show them that way. It's a very, very cool. It's almost very realistic. Okay.
Alright guys, let's take a look inside our toolbox and see which tool... Wait a minute, where are the tools? Oh, here they are. Oh, look at all of these tools. We're gonna have to sort these out. And we're learning sizes today. Whoa, small? What do you think the next size is? Bigger? And the colors are orange and green. Let's take a look at our electric drill. That's the biggest. The biggest is the largest size. So let's take a look at the different sizes. Small, bigger, biggest. Cool! What's the next toy tool? Oh, hammers. Our favorite. Small. The colors are red and orange. Bigger, green and orange, cool, and our biggest, whoa, that's got the color gray, orange, and black. Hammers are awesome, small, bigger, biggest, toy hammers, awesome. What's our next tool? Hey, I saw Santa Claus. Oh, these are our metal saw, that's the small. What's the next size up, guys? You know the next size. Bigger. And that saw has the colors blue, red, and orange. And the next size is the biggest. Cool. Man, these are some awesome toy tools from our kids' tool chest. Small, bigger, and the biggest. I wonder what our next tool is. C-clamps. Check that out. That one is small, and the colors are red and gray. Cool. And our next size up is bigger. And that's the colors blue and orange. And then the biggest. That's got the colors black and red. Small. Bigger, biggest. Cool. We've got, oh, check out our wood saws. Let's do our sizes again. Small, bigger, red and orange, and the biggest, black and gray. Small, and the biggest. Remember to give us a thumbs up and we'll see you on the next video.